Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company Supernova. But before I get started on all the details, guys, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn those notifications on because you don't want to miss out on any of my videos. This unit I will be showing you guys is their curly 5x5 lace closure wig. This one is in the 180% density. It is 20 inches. You do get your two combs on the side. You get a comb in the back and your adjustable strap, and you also get your soft lace. I did co-wash this unit off of camera. I washed it using my Aussie moist shampoo and conditioner. I did not define the curls, guys. This is just what it looks like, just freshly washed and air dried. And I added a little bit of tint spray to the front of the hairline so that it could match my skin a little bit more because the lace was a little bit on the lighter side. For today, I will be doing a glueless install just using my handy dandy wig grip, of course. So I'm just placing the wig on my head and just making sure it fits up. And this is a small cap size, so it is fitting me perfectly, but I'm just going to move those tabs up so that it can rest comfortably by my ears, and then make sure to pull the lace up. Then I'm going to just pin the hair back and then work on cutting off this lace. Because this is a closure unit, there is not a lot of lace to cut off. However, I do want to make sure to go in on the side and try to cut off as much as the thicker pieces as I can. You guys can see that right there. And that way they won't stick out too far because they stuck out a little bit further when it came to this unit. So I am going to customize the front of the hairline, and I do want to kind of camouflage those thicker pieces on the side so that they won't show too much. And to do that, I am going to lay the front of this unit down using my Gorilla Snot. Now, I have not used this product in so long, but I went to the beauty supply store and kind of stocked up on products to use so that I can work on styling my hair in different ways. And I just completely forgot how messy this can be. So kind of make sure you keep a damp towel close by, just because it does get a little bit sticky. But I like how it works. It doesn't flake up too much, especially if you don't go in with a heavy hand. You only need a little bit of this to lay down whatever you are trying to lay down. So I'm just kind of making sure to swoop some of that hair over, and then I am going to do a middle part today on this unit. But first, I'm going to take my Care wax stick, go around the hairline, and then also close by the parting space. I am trying to make sure that middle part is lined up perfectly, and then I'll put the wax stick around there and then go in with my Hotcomb to just press everything out. Definitely don't have to go in and press it out and make it sleek, but the roots on this weren't curly, so I just decided to kind of press it out just to kind of make it a little bit more flatter. And then I will be going back and forth, like I said, just kind of playing around with the parting space because I needed to line up perfectly. You guys know I always struggle when it comes to the middle part, and I will not be satisfied until I think that it is looking right. Any products that I am using in this video can be found down below in the description area. If you guys have any questions about any other products, feel free to leave them down below. Now that I am happy with how flat it is looking at the top, now I'm just gonna go in with my continuous spray bottle. I love this spray bottle. It works really well and it sprays out the perfect amount of water. And then I'm going to go in with my She Is Bomb Fuse Foam and then begin to define the curls just a little bit more. Now, the curls were so pretty after washing it and using my Aussie moist shampoo and conditioner. Like I said, I didn't put any product or define the curls. That is how it looked in the very beginning. So you could probably just put in like a little bit of leave-in conditioner, and I think the curls are still going to pop and look good. So I just did the co-wash and then decided to come on and add the rest of the products. But I was going for the kind of wet look today, so that is why I am using these products. And I'm just going to make sure to rake that through my hair and also make sure to focus on the ends of the hair so that they can curl up. So I'm just kind of fluffing up the hair at the very top. I don't want it to be like super flat. I want a little bit of definition up there. And then of course I'm moving some of the hair towards the back just to kind of make sure that I don't have to worry about any type of track showing. And then I'm gonna go in with my powder into the parting space just to kind of open it up and make it look more realistic. And then I will go a little bit around the hairline. Even though I did use my Ebin New York tint spray, I used the color medium brown. I just needed to put a little bit more powder because I only used one light coat of the tint spray and I just felt like it needed a little bit more powder. Taking my eyeliner pen, I'm trying to fill in that little closure piece on the side so that it doesn't show too much. You can go in with, you know, a marker, or you can go in with some dark eyeshadow just to kind of camouflage that. But guys, this is the end result of this 5x5 closure wig. She is really gorgeous, very easy for me to put on. This is 20 inches. Once again, it does look a little bit shorter because it is curly hair, but stretched out is 20 inches. This goes all the way up to 40 inches. Yes, 40. That's a lot of hair and long, but it does start at 8 inches for my ladies who do not like a lot of length. Now, as far as the lace goes on this unit, the lace blended in so well. It blended in really well. It was already pre-plucked. I didn't have to do anything, and the parting space was open and wide enough for it to look natural. Overall, guys, I don't have anything negative to say about these closure units. I will always love closure units. I feel like they are beginner friendly and just easier to style and deal with. Let me know what you guys are thinking about these closure units. I hope you guys are enjoying them. If you are interested, I'm going to make sure to leave the links down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Turn those notifications on once again. Share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.